Hi everyone and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where this afternoon I'm here on International Drive in Orlando, Florida, making my way to Icon Park, because back in December 2021 they opened 2 brand new rides there. I did actually come down here and have a look at the construction, and you know what, I am really excited to ride them. Brett's going to be meeting me over there shortly to come and join me for a ride on the world's tallest freestanding drop tower at 430 feet. I believe he dropped from around 400. Along with that, they've now got the world's tallest slingshot here at Icon Park as well. The 2 towers are around 300 feet and it shoots you up to over 450, which is pretty incredible. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to experiencing them. I'd also just like to say a huge thank you to the team at Icon Park for providing us with admission and also allowing us to film on the rides, the slingshot and the drop tower, and take you along for the experience. But Icon Park's already got so many fantastic attractions. You got Madame Tussauds, the Sea Life, along with that you've got the big wheel of course, and the Starflyer. I did a vlog there back in November, and yeah, it's always great to get back on the Starflyer. So yeah, just arrived, come and join me here at Icon Park as we experience these 2 new attractions. So for those of you that have never been to Orlando before, I'm just going to start off by talking a little bit about International Drive. This is a large road that runs through Orlando that has got so many different roadside attractions, adventure golf courses, restaurants, shops, rides and so much more. It really is a fantastic area. You'll never be bored on iDrive. And yeah, this is one of my favourite places to come, Pirates Cove Adventure Golf. It is so well themed. Look at the galleon just over there. Yeah, it's a brilliant course. It does get very busy later on though, so yeah, they've got a great idea doing it this afternoon before it gets too busy. You've got the drop tower there that is absolutely huge. It's amazing, isn't it? And I like how you've got the spinning section on the top just there as well. 430 foot tall, and yeah, that's around 30 foot on top I believe, so we're dropping from around 400. Manufactured by Funtime. See, I'm looking forward to giving it a go because their drop towers don't normally have loads of force, but I've heard from Brett and lots of other people that this is really forceful, so I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, obviously we've got the slingshot here as well. Yeah, the towers are 300 foot tall. They are huge. The camera doesn't do it justice, to be honest. And yeah, we're going to be taking you on both of these with on-ride POVs, which is great how they've allowed us to do that down here. So thanks again, we really appreciate it. So we're allowed to take you on and get some on-ride footage. So yeah, a bit of final testing currently taking place. You can see over at the Starflyer there, that's just parked at the top at the moment. Just doing some final checks. Safety's first, of course. Make sure that's all ready, and then yeah, they can get us on the attractions down here at Icon Park. But yeah, going to be riding on the drop tower first, and then the slingshot. Obviously, you've also got the wheel over there, Madame Tussauds, Sea Life, and so much more. Oh, here we go then. Bit of testing taking place before it opens. Look at that, spinning round. What an absolute beauty, and the size of the tower. Wow, look at that. I love a good drop tower. I'm such a drop tower enthusiast, so yeah, I can't wait to get on this. Yeah, it looks epic, and I think it'll be great at night as well. So of course we'll take you on later tonight with all the LED lighting on there. But yeah, you spin round, and also when you get to the top, the seats actually tilt forwards as well, which is pretty epic. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. So we'll let the testing complete, and yeah, it's time to ride on the world's tallest freestanding drop tower here at Icon Park in Orlando. Here we go then, so it's time to climb, and here he is, it's Brett, everybody! Here we go, good to see you again, Brett.
Good to see you too, back in the States again.
I know, honestly, like, what's been going on? Since the borders reopened back in November, this is my 3rd trip out here.
You're in the States more than me these days.
I don't know about that, but here we go, climbing up. So the tower itself is 430 feet, and already the views are pretty awesome, so we thought we'll do it in the daytime, but then of course do it at night as well, so we can kind of get both perspectives. You can already see Disney over in the distance, the contemporary Spaceship Earth, obviously looking straight down, Volcano Bay over in the distance at the Universal Orlando Resort, obviously the Starflyer here at Icon Park, the wheel,
Mako
over there, SeaWorld, blimey. Epic Universe site over in the distance there.
Can you see Contemporary there?
It is tall. It is tall.
There's the Spaceship Earth.
Oh, great views all the way around.
This thing is nuts.
It is big, and the good thing is it's a tilting drop tower as well, so we are actually going to tilt forward before we drop down, which will be quite nice. It's not one for if you're scared of heights, this, but yeah, I love this. I think it really makes it as well, the fact you can see like you're literally going higher than the wheel just there, like you're looking over at it and thinking, oh god, we just keep going and going.
What's even scary to me is it's like all manual settings, so they can just leave you up here for as long as they want. So
yeah, got quite a few different cycles on it, which is great. Really get to appreciate the beauty of Orlando from up here. It is a spectacular view. I think, you know, when you're on the Starflyer, you see the great view, but you're spinning that fast. With this, you've got a slower rotation, so it means you get to appreciate the view. Downtown Orlando over in the distance. What a view. You realise just how big the Epic Universe site is. It is absolutely huge. Obviously, that's the brand new theme park opening in the next few years. I think 2024 they're kind of looking at, aren't they now? It seems to be for 2024, maybe even 2025,
honestly. I think.
Work is progressing quite quick though, which is good. I tell you what, we're staying up here for quite a while, Brett. Oh, we're stopping.
Pretty nervous every time.
So we're going to tilt forwards now. It's a fun time drop tower. They don't normally have loads of kick these, so I'm looking forward to seeing just how much kick this has got, to be honest. We're just literally holding here, waiting to tilt. Like, do we normally tilt by now?
Yeah, I guess they're just leaving us up here because it's usual.
Oh, maybe so. Well, they knew we were coming, so... But
what is going on here?
Great view, yeah. A nice view of the I-4 down there as well. Right here on the heart of International Drive.
Nice view of the I-4.
Oh, that's what it is, mate. Like, look at that. Traffic's moving all right. Hey, Sean's traffic update. Oh, here we go. Tilting a bit. Oh, he's got quite a tilt on it, that, hasn't it?
Oh my.
Oh, hey. Oh, that was good. That was really good.
So good.
It was pretty forceful.
Yeah.
Pretty forceful, that is. Oh, yeah. That's really nice. And to be honest, the brakes really don't feel like they kick in too high up, which is good.
You feel like you drop forever on it.
Yeah, like you can really feel the force on the brakes as well.
I love it.
Oh, that was really good. Fantastic. I think it's going to be great at night, seeing all the lights on as well from on there. Fantastic. Yeah, really good. And some good force to it as well. Brilliant. Here we go then, on the world's largest slingshot. Yeah, looking forward to this. Back we go, floor goes down. See, it starts off in like a big themed kind of volcano around here. Is there going to be some smoke effects or something? It feels like that's what it needs, some bit of smoke. Does it have smoke normally? Or?
Not seen it yet.
No, a bit of smoke would be nice, but here we go. Head back. It's always worth putting your head back on these, because of course that initial kick. Do we get a countdown or anything?
No,
we just go? Yeah. Oh, all right, okay. I was waiting for like a themed countdown or something, but here we go. Just waiting for that.
Goodbye.
Here we go. Whoa! Woo! Hey, we're gonna flip. Woo! Oh, nice that. I tell you what, that humidity. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, we're going again. Hey! Oh, not too bad that. Just the two inversions, I think. We might get a third. Here we go. Lean forward, I reckon.
Oh no.
Here we go. We're going to go to there. I was hoping for a record beating for the smile there. I wanted a 15 on that. That's what I was hoping for.
Beautiful view again though.
It's a great view, and that sun going down here in Orlando, Florida. March 2022, back again. You know what? That was good.
It's fun.
I still think with these slingshots though, it's a one-trick pony. Yeah. You get that initial kind of, you know, acceleration, so to speak, and then that's it, isn't it?
But they're like big hits. Every time I come down here, this is the most popular ride, so people love it.
Oh yeah, like they always have been though. No matter where you go around the world, people love a good slingshot. It was great. Does it ride better than any of the others? I don't necessarily think so.
They're all very much
all very much the same. However, it's another great addition here onto International Drive. Icon Park now with the wheel, Madame Tussauds Sea Life, the Starflyer, the drop tower, and this. There's a lot going on here.
There is.
And so many food outlets around here as well. But no, that was, yeah, it was enjoyable, that was. I think it'd be better with a bit of themed audio at the bottom to get you pumped up.
The only thing I don't like about it is there's 3 settings, 50, 75 and 100. And they run it day in, day out on 50 because to preserve the cables.
Yeah.
I had one ride on the 100 and it's quite intense, but you never really get a ride like that.
We got quite a bit of kick when it first launched up, but yeah, nothing spectacular. But yeah, it was good. I enjoyed getting on it. Well, you've just seen on-ride footage there from the world's tallest slingshots, and as if by magic, it's night time. I'm back here at Icon Park to ride the drop tower at night, and of course share my review and thoughts on the brand new ride down here at Icon Park. So earlier on I didn't really have the time to get any footage around here because we were literally straight onto the Slingshot with it being nice and quiet. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you the volcano from around here. Obviously you did just see it a couple of minutes ago in the daytime from on-ride. But yeah, here's an off-ride look just there at all of the volcano and the queue line just there for it as well. If I pan round to the right just here, it's just dropped. There we go. The world's tallest freestanding drop tower. Yeah, we've got the facts down here as well. There you go. Awesome. The Orlando Slingshot, there you go, 450 feet, 100 miles an hour, 5 Gs. Obviously that's when it's on the top setting like Brett said earlier on. And then obviously you've got the Orlando Freefall. There we go, the stats there, 430 feet, 75 miles an hour and 4 Gs. And I tell you what, they're not joking with that. You can certainly feel the Gs and I think we're going to be in for an awesome ride. In fact, I'm pretty sure I can hear some fireworks going off, which are probably the Disney fireworks. So we're going to see them from up at the top. So yeah, I'm going to get on. There we go, Starflyer over there as well. Like I say, check out the vlog from November down there at the Starflyer, all down here at Icon Park. Yeah, I tell you what, the lighting package on there is absolutely awesome. Here comes the catch car back down as well. I just can't believe how forceful it is. I'm really looking forward to getting back on it. Absolutely amazing. Here's like the geeky shots for you now. The catch car coming down, here it is. All the lights on there as well. Oh, look at that. See, obviously you see the big hook just there? That literally hooks onto the top of the gondola just here. And yeah, that pulls it up. Here we go. So yeah, if you just watch here now, you're going to see it connect on. I'm so geeky, I love it. Here we go. Ready for a clunk, and that's it. That's ready to go. Dispatch. Oh, let's make sure the harnesses are down first. Just noticed we've got a seat out here already. Hope they get that sorted. But yeah, here we go. Right, let's go on for a night ride. No Brett this evening. He's having a bit of a chill. You've got to think, you know, he's got a lot going on out here as well. He's always doing stuff. So just because I come over for the week doesn't mean that, you know, Brett's with me like for the whole trip all the time. You know, he's got loads going on out here himself as well. So especially with him being a professional golfer, you know, things are really picking up now compared to how they were last year with COVID for him, which is brilliant. You know, how things are getting back to normal. But Brett will be joining me a few times during this trip, so stay tuned. But here we go. Right, enough of that. These fireworks, I can hear them. Let's go and get on the world's tallest freestanding drop tower, this time in the dark. Here we go then, it's time for a nighttime ride now on the world's tallest freestanding drop tower, and I think I can hear some fireworks over in the distance, which means probably Disney's fireworks going on right now. We'll see if we can see them when we get up to the top here. But yeah, it's a completely different game at night because obviously you've got all the lights, the Starflyer there, the big wheel, the Slingshot. Oh, there's a Slingshot in action actually. You'll see some of the riders coming down here. Yeah, I can hear some big bangs over in the distance. Have we got fireworks at Disney? Oh, and there we go, it's the Magic Kingdom fireworks. Perfect timing, you just see them over there in the distance. Yeah, you can see the Contemporary with all the lights on. That's how we know it's Magic Kingdom, because Epcot, we can see Spaceship Earth. That's all the way off to the left. Wow, look at this. Wow, even better at night in my opinion. Just keep raising up. Mako over there in the distance, obviously going to be going to SeaWorld this trip, so stay tuned for the vlog. Your ears really pop when you get to this point and you go over the Slingshot. Look at that. Oh, Disney's fireworks, that's just made it. Wasn't even planned that. I was hoping to get that at some point, but it wasn't planned for this ride. I was just queuing up down, well I say queuing up, there's me and I think 2 other people on it tonight. Oh wow, that's just really made it. What a view. Fun spot over there, obviously going to be doing both of the fun spot parks in Orlando and Kissimmee as well. There's the convention centre over there where IAPA is held every year. And more awesome fireworks at the Magic Kingdom, there they are. Oh, that is gorgeous. Well, it makes you realise how close you actually are to Disney. Like, you don't realise when you're here on iDrive, it feels like it's a long way away to Disney, but actually it's not that far. Wow. We're getting a good long cycle here as well. They knew we were coming, and shortly we should be tilting forwards. Oh, there we go. Nice view of the swimming pool down there. Shame we're not facing the fireworks. Here we go, get ready for the tilt. We've got a bit of a different view than the daytime POVs anyway. Oh boy. Just the anticipation. Oh, here we go. It's on the Starflyer. There's no waiting about. Look at that view, folks. Get ready to drop. Whoa! Oh, wow. God, that is so forceful. Absolutely phenomenal. I can't get over how forceful it is. Oh, wow. Amazing. Absolutely phenomenal, that. Woo. If you don't like heights or forceful drop towers, that really isn't for you. It's a pretty intense experience. It rides like an Intamin drop tower, like I mentioned throughout this video. Funtime, they're not really known for producing real high quality forceful drop towers. Well, this is an exception because this really is. It rides like an Intamin. It is very, very forceful. And I tell you what, with the tilting, the height of it as well, the awesome views, it's a spectacular ride. If you are coming here, you know, it's great doing it in the daytime and at night. They are two very different experiences. However, you know, I would say nighttime just tops it for me because of the lights. And obviously if you time it with Disney's fireworks, all you've got to do is look at the Disney website or the app, find out when the fireworks are happening, because you've got to think the fireworks are about 15-20 minutes, get in the queue and get straight on the drop tower, yeah, and you'll see that over in the distance. Amazing. But what a brilliant addition to Orlando. Like I said earlier on, I just want to say thank you to them for having us down here and of course allowing us to film. Always makes it when we can film on ride. We don't get it lots in America, but no, it's great how they've allowed that. And obviously the Slingshot is a nice addition. For me, I don't get kind of any adrenaline from a Slingshot. I much prefer the drop tower. However, I can see why they've put it in down here. It's got a good kick to it. I'd like to do it on its full settings. Obviously you've got the three kind of settings on there, but yeah, obviously they don't want to put too much strain on the cable too much yet, you know, with it being brand new. Obviously they've got to wear it in, which is completely understandable. Safety is always paramount, safety first. But what a brilliant addition to Orlando. It's open late on an evening. I mean, round here now there's a lot more people than there was earlier this morning. It's still not heaving though. The Starflyer is certainly the more popular out of all the rides, but you've got to think a lot of people probably don't know this is here yet, you know, so hopefully the more people doing vlogs, more people coming down here to see it, they're going to come and experience this drop tower because it's brilliant. But there we go, some nice POVs, rider cam, daytime POV and nighttime, and the Slingshot, and it's been awesome. But there we go, we've just got started with this Orlando content. So much more coming up. Brett's going to be joining me in some more vlogs as well, and yeah, that leaves me with one final thing to say: get out there and keep on riding. See you in tomorrow's vlog.